Scott, many thanks for joining us. That is the latest in the Rajratnam trial that is currently underway. Industrial growth is slowing, and so it appears is inflation. So should the Reserve Bank pause, or does it need to raise rates yet again on the 17th of March? Gopika Gopikumar and Vidhi Godiawala get you an exclusive poll of bankers and economists.
For inflation management, we have to raise policy interest rates. For protecting, preserving and promoting recovery, we need to keep interest rates low.
RBI governor is clearly in a dilemma over inflation management and growth. But inflation control is expected to remain the central bank's focus in its mid-quarter review on March 17th. A CNBC TV18 poll of bankers and economists shows that 70% of those polled expect the RBI to hike the repo rate by 25 basis points to 6.75%. 65% expect a 25 basis point hike in the reverse repo rate to 5.75%.
RBI has till now quite clearly communicated their stance that they want to balance between growth and inflation, and that's why it wants to take a gradual calibrated stance at raising rates. So from that perspective, 25 basis point rate hike seems to be on the cards.
The street is more or less convinced that inflation for March end will come in higher than RBI's forecasted 7%. 80% of the respondents expect March end inflation to be above 7%. Only 20% see it at 7% or lower. With the liquidity situation stabilizing, majority believe the RBI will not extend the facility of extra borrowing that banks can do up to 1% of SLR beyond April 8th. So, how will actual lending and deposit rates move after the policy? Majority believe banks will not hike lending or deposit rates immediately, even if the RBI moves on policy rates.
In case there is an increase in the repo rate and reverse repo rate by maybe 25 basis point, I think to pass on to the borrower will be difficult. Peak level now the rate has reached on the deposit side. So now to pass on this hike in the rate of interest, there could be a question of sustainability.
In Mumbai with Gopika Gopikumar, Vidhi Godiawala.